Good.
Tunnel, tunnel.
Nice. Almost, almost. Tunnel. Have her on your left hand side if you want to have her turn. Yeah. Turn her. Yes. Left hand. No, other hand. Oh, I know it's so complex. So, if my dog is on this side and I want my dog on this side, then I just go like. You ready? You ready? Go tunnel. Go tunnel. Oh, what a girl! Oh, what a girl! Go tunnel. Yay! Excellent. Call it, call it. Jump, jump, jump.